What's up, guys? It's your boy Sniper Trading, back again with another video. Another positive day, I might say, made some money in the market. So let's check it out. Let's see what I did and how I did it, why I did it. All right. So I got my resistance and support on the 15-minute candle right here. And I got the initial balance. This is just like what happens. As you can see right here, like you can see that something clearly happened right here. You see these two bodies right here. So they bounced straight from the initial balance point. So this kind of shows you that there's a trend to push up, especially when the red candle has such a long wick like that. So yeah, that's why I do it like that. And yeah, that's the 15-minute candle, why I use it, and so some stuff like that, I guess you could say. Okay, let's get to the meaty, juicy stuff. All right, we're over here now. Okay, so as usual, I do not trade until 9 a.m. At least I try to do my best not to trade until after 9 a.m. But sometimes if I do see a trend and I see a structure, maybe closer to that 15-minute candle about to close, maybe like 8:55, then I will take a trade. But usually I try not to. And so I was monitoring the market right here. Like I was watching it doing what it does. I even created certain breaking points. This is I was trying to short it. If it breaks this structure, then I was gonna get in. But it clearly it was not doing that. It was on a ripper and wanted to go. And so here, let's bring this over here. So I, as you can see, I traded, I believe, right here. I think it was like 850. Very early for me. I need to do better. But it says right here, shorted here for a small gain. So I did make some money. It hit the previous 15-minute candle support. So this is the second 15-minute candle, and it hit that support, and it was being rejected. As you can see, all these candles up here, that was a rejection. I personally didn't stick around and find out what happened right here. I think I took a small profit. I think it was like down here, so like 570s to, yeah, so like 10 pointer, swish. Let's get that money. I'm out. That's like it's probably like a $500 gain right there. So yeah, I traded that. I didn't really stick around to find out what happened here, but yeah, I watched all this happen right here. I watched that, and I was perfectly fine that I missed it, because I was off to good momentum, because I was seeing where the market, what the market was gonna do and what it wants to do. I'm not trying to guess, but I'm trying to be in tune with the market. That's the right word, yeah. Okay, off to the next one. Right here, I created another breaking point. So if it broke this, if a candle broke below this and it closed below here, I would have bought the second candle for a pullback. I would have shorted it to probably below here. Yeah, what is that? 05. Yeah, that would have been all right. That would have been all right. But I didn't even trade that. So right here, I decided to trade this. It was a bit impulsive. I'm not gonna lie, because I missed out on like some of these trades right here, and I felt like I didn't want to be done so early in the day. Like it was already 9 a.m. and I was like, shit, if I trade, I'm just gonna be done. So yeah, it was like a bit impulsive right here. I shorted here for $450 loss, and that was because really I saw these rejections up here, all these candles. I think if we had more wicks up here, then it would have been a further clarification on that. You know, we would have had a resistance right here and it would have probably pulled back, but there wasn't that many wicks. It was just bodies, 50-50. So yeah, I lost some money there, no biggie. And once it broke this area, I was like, okay, well, I see, like, look at this flag, boom, and then it went up again. I think I bought somewhere down here, maybe in the middle right here, and yeah, I longed, because it was just like the market just wanted to go higher. So yeah, I bought $500 gain right there. Yeah, I think, yeah, some of these trades, like right here, I just had them in here. Like I have my bar right here. I was looking for even a further break above here. I think I want to say I broke even here, but I don't have it in my notes. But I think I broke even here. This was just like a structure that I set up. There's clearly a bullish flag, and I could have traded this because it was breaking out, and that would have been a good trade, to be honest with you. Like once it closed, maybe buy here, 92. Yeah, that would have been a 10-pointer. That would have been good. This was a bit sketchy. I don't know why, but I think my confidence from some of these trades from shorting and not going well kind of resulted in me not wanting to trade this, shorting this. But I was watching it. I was seeing what it was gonna do. Like this wick right here, this shorting wick, you could call it, or yeah, just severe pressure for a sell-off. And yeah, I could have taken a trade here as well, maybe on this candle, short this, but I didn't, which is fine. I felt like it was really early in the day already. Like we're barely at 9:30, and I'm about to hit my daily profit goal. So it was a bit odd. Okay, well, this is not fully adding up. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like this belongs here. Yeah, that belongs there. So here, I think it was because it didn't break this area. Like, it didn't break above this area. It didn't break above this area, and I shorted it. I was gonna go further down, but I think I sold it early for the $300 gain. It was clearly not breaking this area, so I was like, you know what, let's short. I could have probably stuck around for that one. I think that one would have been, I would have made easily my $1,000 goal per day, and I would have been out, but I didn't. It was a really good setup. It's even better to take the trade right here once it broke this support area. And then I noticed as usual, I saw the EMA getting closer right here. That's also one of the other reasons why I shorted it, because the EMA was just pushing down, and you could just see it. And VWAP wasn't really, it wasn't changing, and it was just like it was getting closer and closer. But yeah, I could have probably taken another trade somewhere right here, but I didn't. I just waited for another spot that I felt comfortable with, and yeah, once I noticed that, you know, VWAP was broke. EMA was going through VWAP. It broke through. That's when I was like, okay, now I'm confident that it's gonna pull even more, and I'll take another trade. And yeah, so once we broke this body right here, like these large bodies, it was clear to me I was gonna get in on this one, on the second one. And yeah, $400 gain. I'm not trying to like go crazy on some of these trades. I would have been done easily, quick, but I stuck around, you know. Yeah, I want to learn as well, you know, watch the market and see what happens. And then why did I long here? I think, let me see. So I longed here for 600, but there's got to be a reason why I longed. Okay. So I think, let me go over here. I think it goes $75. So I think it's a bit low on this area because it's like all the way down to the 70s. But the previous 15, this is I don't know, probably like last previous Wednesday or Thursday right here, or it could have been Friday. But look at that, it's 486, somewhere in that area. And there's like reversals on these times, so that's why I longed here. And also we were getting to the second standard deviation, and overall the momentum was getting shorter. It was just like it was getting shorter and shorter, so that gave me another confirmation that I wanted to short it. I wanted to go long for a pushback up. So yeah, I made $600 there, which is nice. I brought my confidence up again. And so let's go to performance. So if you can see it right here, I'm at 51,000 right now, and that's pretty good. I'm happy with it. Yeah. What else? Yeah, the market really moved today. It was really good. I was happy with it. It gave us a lot of room to work with. So yeah, it was a good day. Hopefully the rest of the week goes well. I hope you guys are having a good trade as well, you know, getting some wins. That's basically it, man. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, like, subscribe, and also comment down below. Let me know what I should do, what I should change, how I can improve. I'd appreciate that. All right. Peace.